This video is for any of you guys out there that may own a Raymarine sonar and want to replace the base on it, and if you're kind of up in the air if you want to use a factory or one of these ram mounts. I hear ram mounts are supposed to be pretty good, so we'll see how this works out. Hey guys, welcome back to Tippy Outdoors. Today I'm going to be replacing the mount on my Raymarine Dragonfly 4. It's got this little spin mount on it. Made a little console for my boat a couple years ago where this just screws on. I think it's supposed to be more of a permanent fixture, but I seem to take mine on and off every time I'm in the boat just because I don't want my sonar here stolen. Well, the problem I've had is it's kind of a pain to thread on there when you're in the boat. That and the threads are stripped out on it. I don't know if you saw in my last video when I was out fishing that it just spin around on its own. So today I'm gonna try and replace this mount with a ram mount. Ordered a little kit for the Dragonfly 4 here. Looks like it comes with a base and a mounting ball, an actual part that holds on the sonar. So I'm going to replace it and see if it works any better. I wasn't sure if I was going to replace it with a factory original, but I don't really like how this spins on. It seems to be a big pain in the butt to put it on and off every time I'm out there. That, and as I mentioned, the threads have stripped out, so we're going to be working on that today. Replacing the mount on my sonar here. This is supposed to be pretty universal. I'm hoping the holes match up, but it looks like a smaller mount, so I might have to drill some new holes. Let's get this old one off. I don't have enough room here. There we go. Got a bunch of stainless steel hardware back here. Just got to unscrew those nuts and that factory mount should pop right off. Anyways, I got the nuts loosened up now. Should just pop right off. Looks like I'm gonna have to screw the bolts out too. Shouldn't be too much of a problem. Screwdriver in here. How about you guys? What kind of sonar or fish finder do you guys have, and what do you like? Leave it in the comments and let me know. Maybe you have a Raymarine like me and just absolutely love it. So, just curious to what you guys have. Alright, let's get that last screw out. Have some holes there now. I don't know what I'm going to caulk them, probably not. Oh yeah. Let's check that out. I did stain it underneath. It's good, I'll just clean it up and probably drill some new holes here. Probably my biggest concern, which I'm not really concerned at all about this looks pretty simple, is the ram mount comes with a new ball. Looks like it clamps onto the base here. My only concern about this little project is getting the old ball off. But it looks like all it takes is a little hex key. I guess we'll see. Found some hex keys. I don't know really what size it is. Let's see if we can get that. Let's see if we can get that old mount off. Doesn't look very big. Let's see if we can get one of those in there. Still too big. Let's go bigger. There we go. Oh yeah. Trying to read the number on it. Appears to be a 5. Number 5. I was worried it was going to be hard to unloosen, but appears to be unscrewing pretty easily. Should be a simple project, then. I like simple and easy. Yeah, screw. Ooh, big old screw. See the end on that? See that? Well, that's what you have left with right there. Let me zoom in on that. Just some threads. That's good to see. See this here? The old mount? It was super sturdy, but I hated screwing it on every time. It'd squeak, and I'm kind of glad the threads are stripped out on it so I can try something else. Anyways, got the old ball off. Let's open up this new ram mount ball. This all came as a little kit. Ordered it on Amazon. I just searched Dragonfly 4 mount. This is what came up. Let's see what we can do with this. I think this just screws on by hand. Hopefully the threads match up. Oh yeah. Check that out. I like where this is going. Nice and tight. It's going to mount something like that. So this is going to mount to the base. That might be pretty slick. Alright, let's continue on. Next we have the base here. You see that? It's a ram mount. Made in the USA. That's what I'm talking about. Bring it home and keep it home, right? Alright, oh yeah, holes are not going to line up to the original. That's okay. I have to drill some more. I'll go grab a pencil and a drill bit. And a drill. Okay guys, it appears that the bolts I used with the original mount will work with the new mount. Fit just about perfectly. So, I got a drill bit. Exactly the same size as the bolts. Let's get that in the drill. Alright. You know what, I think I'm going to drill it from inside the boat, so let me hop in real quick. Cut here on my monster rod holders. Still need to do a review on these. These things are awesome. Anyways, alright. So get the new mount here. What do you think? I am put it right there. Line that ram up so it looks nice and straight. Not that it matters. I'll caulk the holes in later. Alright, I have 3 bolts, so I'm going to drill 3 holes. Should probably mark them, but I'm just going to eye it today. Little hole there. Use inside or outside? Let's go inside. Little hole there. Do not drill into your transducer cord. Make sure that's clear out of the way. Alright, let me see if my holes line up there. That looks pretty good. See what I have there? Just 3 marks. I'm gonna drill holes all the way through. Alright, let's drill some holes, guys. One. Two. And the transducer cord. 3. Alright. Let's see if those line up. Yeah. That ought to work just fine. Get those bolts in. Cleaned up a little bit. Holes are lined up. I like to use a drill bit, same size as the bolt. So you have to screw them in, so it kind of makes new threads. Let's screw this one in real quick. Righty tighty, right? Super tight yet, so you can still turn the mount a little bit, line up those other holes. Get this one going. I think we can get it in there. These mounts seem pretty tough. Yeah, there we go. Not snug yet. Alright, it's not super tight, but it's nice and snug. Nice and snug. And the last one's nice and snug. Alright, I'm gonna hop out real quick. Watch this rod holder here. Alright. Looks pretty decent. Alright guys, I hate to skip a step. Got those washers off these old bolts here. I'm going to put those on before I put on the nuts. Just so it's super sturdy. Not that it Alright, let's take a look at that real quick. Something like that. 3 washers and 3 nuts. Let's tighten those up. See how that new mount holds. Base for the mount. Screw those nuts on nice and tight. Alright, should look something like this. 3 bolts, 3 washers, and 3 nuts. Okay guys, it looks like the only thing we have left to do now is attach the middle part to the base. It's called a double socket arm for a 1-inch ball. Get that sucker open. Ram mounts, made in the USA. You gotta like that. Alright, let's get this on. Doesn't matter if there's a top or a bottom. A spring on one side. Alright. After screwing it on one time, the spring should probably go up. So it's going to look something like this. Check that out. It's nice and solid. When you want to pop on your fish finder, it's going to loosen it up. The spring's going to open up there. You guys see that spring? Got the spring towards the top here. Not towards the bottom. When you want to pop on your fish finder, sonar, whatever you want to call it. What did I do with that sucker? This nice 1-inch ball here. Probably open it up a little bit more. Pops right in the socket there. Then you just tighten it down. Let's see how that's going to hold. Nice and tight. Nice. I like that. It looks pretty good. Seems very sturdy. Sturdier than my boat. Okay guys, let's take a closer look at this. Right off the bat, I like the looks of it. It rotates out of the way when you're not using it. Put the camera down for a second so I can have my hands. See how easy this is to pop on here. Open it up, pop it in. Nice. Super simple. No more of the screwing it on, the old-fashioned mount that came with it. Yeah, I'm liking this. Let's see how easy it is to rotate. Oh, nice. Lock it in nice and tight. Heck yeah. This is perfect. I should have switched it out the first week I had this thing, because I didn't like the old mount for sure. This looks super sturdy, super nice. When I'm done for the day, I can just unloosen it, pop off my screen, fold this out of the way. Heck yeah, guys. I think this is a winner here. Well guys, first impression. Should you replace your factory mount for your Raymarine Dragonfly with a ram mount? I'm thinking hell yeah you should. This is so slick, so easy. Take the screen on and off. You rotate it in any direction. Lock it down. Done for the day, you're out of the boat, it's off. Folds out of the way. Ram mounts, have I mentioned, the 3rd time now. Made in the USA. I haven't tried it on the water yet. Getting 2 thumbs up. Totally happy with this. Raymarine, if you're listening, do something with your mount. Some of us guys like to take our screens out at the end of the day. We don't like to transport our screens while we're trailering our boats. Do something with this. This is so annoying. Squeak, squeak every time you screw it on. Psh. That's what I think about it. Ram mounts. Go with a ram mount if you got a Raymarine Dragonfly. Put this on just one last time to show you how slick it is. Tighten it down nice and tight. Well, thanks for joining me on Tippy Outdoors, and until next time.